Sanjay went all the way up in the hills of St. Andrew to get a whole different kind of vibe, an acoustic one.
Let's Play Acoustic gives you different vibes up here in the mountains at Eats Cafe.
She make a man full of head with that beer coat. Because of money and marriage, and he got a fast car. She gets caught up in this illusion, and she got pregnant. And now she left all alone without a home. The mighty baby on her own. Can't deal with the pressure. No more. Can't even find a place where she can feel.
Definitely a big hit in dancehall. You know, it has your sound and your direction changed a little bit in terms of the genre. Are you doing more reggae now, or
same sound?
I wish I could pretend I didn't need you.
Big singer, go on.
Hi, Sanjay.
No, it was a vibe. You have such a presence on stage. What was it like for you?
It was just so much fun. You know, it feels good to be back on stage after being mommy for so long. So yeah, I thank God that Sherita really hauled me out of the cave.
Maki and Wagwan, brother.
Good day, bro.
You had a nice cameo a while ago.
Yeah, man. You don't know, my brother them a perform and my sister them too. So I just come through, come all a vibe with them, is it?
If you ever want to fall in love, if you ever want to get honest, I'll be waiting. Thank you so much for keeping your hearts open to me.
Intimate environment, you know what I mean? Very cozy, you know, did that help you?
Yeah, a lot. And I mean, I'm doing my best to kind of follow my brother Feluke and just bring my drum on stage more while, and that kind of give me a different kind of pushing.
If you don't crash land.
We're always making music that was always pushing the envelope, you know, going against the grain, and making sure that we leave an impact, you know what I mean, above all things.
I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry, never dreamed to see, truth be told, it's easy to pretend nothing's wrong will be easy.
Tell us a little bit about this brainchild of yours.
All right, so it started a few years ago. It was originally me and choir and Ranoy Gordon. I just thought that, boy, we needed some opportunities to showcase our kind of music, and I was like, why not do a show? Why not just create something for ourselves? And we did the first one in 2016, and here we are again in 2023.
No matter where you go, just know we're right beside you. Never forget mommy and daddy will love you so.
Bush load. Wait. No, the bag, yeah.
That's somebody.
Hold them the bush load.
Yeah, you mean. Wagwan as well?
You there, show some support tonight.
Yeah, man, too. You don't know Marty more. Nice songs the same way. Choir and the whole team. Big up on yourselves, team, and intense.
All right, now we're here with the host of this evening, Cecile Black. Cecile, first of all, what was it like hosting tonight?
My first hosting gig,
and
it was good. It was good. The crowd was amazing.
I'm Shanice.
Shanice Mortet?
Yeah.
Justine Mortet.
That's a great. First of all, Mortet, what was it like for you on stage tonight?
It was good. It was a blessing to be here, you know what I mean? And you don't know, I give thanks to everybody who came out. The vibes was nice, you know what I mean? The music was nice. I appreciate it.
Interesting lineup, refreshing venue. Let's Play Acoustic, intense.
Sometimes